All right, Kent here. I'm just about to the park, and I decided to come out here and show you the Rainy Lake Visitor Center.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto 461.
So here we are. This is the beginning of the park, the road to the park off of Highway 11 East. So there's a couple people getting pictures here, I guess.
Road for 3/4 of a mile.
So there's the park sign, and now those people are probably out for a walk. There's a hiking trail right next to this road, and so I guess the view will be a little better on the way out. It's pretty bright and sunny here into the camera, but I'll take you in and then take you out and see if we can do it in 8 minutes. Make one video section. Yeah, we're just about a minute in. But you can see the leaves are fantastic right now. I would call it peak, depending on what you want, of course. I don't know what the official definition of peak is, but I like to see a little green, and we're not total, we haven't, the popples and birch haven't totally lost their green leaves. Maples have gone red, which is...
In a quarter mile, turn left onto 461.
Well, this is, I want to get rid of this route here. I don't know where it was bringing us. Oh boy. Oh, it's not even, there we go. There, I don't know why I had that thing on a route. I never asked it to put me on a route. So yeah, that's a nice picture of where we're going. There's probably a few people out here. It's such a beautiful day. But oh, there's one hiker on the trail there. Oh, there's a grouse. Yeah, there he is. That's what people are doing right now, is a lot of grouse hunting. So just about there. This it's a paved bike trail, walking trail, that it can be used for skiing in the winter. That's part of their trail system for skiing. So after this, the plan is to take you to Wooden Frog Campground, like I alluded to, but like all this, plans can be changed. Yeah, I'm disappointed I didn't catch anything in my trap, but I'll get him. There's got to be some kind of bait to get him in there. Here's where a hiking trail crosses the road and then goes off into the woods there. It's and then eventually comes out on another road, but it's a hiking opportunity right here at the Park Visitor Center. Okay, this is the boat ramp. You can see all these trucks with the boat trailers, and not too full, but in the summer these are full to very overflowing. There's vehicle parked with boat trailers parked in the upper lot, and also, eighth of a mile down the road, there's somebody pulling their boat out, and there is our big tour boat. Oh, and look at that. Canoe there. She's unpacking or packing, I don't know. But nice, kind of a nice day for canoeing. But this is a big water lake, and you're not going to have such an easy time canoeing on this lake as you would in the BWCA. They promote it, but you get caught on the big lake with even a 1 foot roller or a 2 foot. You're not going too far unless you're a very good canoeer, 2 people, and you might be able to hug a shoreline or something, but you better know what you're in for, and I think you should have a plan B where you can, they make a Garmin GPS where you can actually send a text message and email, I believe, too. That would be my suggestion, is you have one of those where plan B is you just call a local resort that you've made arrangements with, and you ask them to come and get you. There's the visitor center, and it's very nice in there. I believe they have a full mount moose and maybe something else, but they got an auditorium and displays of things. Nice, nice for the park. Park doesn't offer anything spectacular except where you go out onto the lake and its wildness. Just a few other humans and then just nature. Beautiful. Yeah, this is all full in the summer. This should be peak season here too, as far as leaves, and nice weather for camping. Oh, look at the dog. You probably couldn't see that, but a couple harnessing up their dog for a walk, I guess. Yeah, that is the Rainy Lake Visitor Center. Not much of a tour, but later on I'll bring you here and do a walk around and possibly go into the visitor center. I don't know what the laws are on filming in the park. Let me check our time here. We have been filming for 8 minutes. Yeah, so this might have actually clicked to another video, but maybe I'll link them together. I'll take you out to Highway 11 and then I'll talk to you later. But this road out, and perhaps I can just go without this portion of the video. Yeah, beautiful day. Very nice. I noticed when we got into that sun, I noticed I didn't do a good job on that windshield, so I'm going to give it one more go over to get just the very light smeared dirt or whatever. Should be able to get it off there pretty easy. I should have used one more paper towel, Don't want to be cheap on something like that, or then it's twice as much work. Yeah. This is nice. This road was put in here by the Park Service. I don't know if there's even there was an existing road, yeah, because there's another county road out there. So they rebuilt this road, built it up to, a good road that's good drainage and blasted rock. And I don't know how many years ago that was. 10, 15, 20. Yeah, I'll pull over up here and then I'll terminate this section of the video, and I'll get you going on the way out at International Falls. And, maybe I'll see something. I mean, this fall leaf show is pretty spectacular everywhere. So I don't need to film every minute of this trip. Hiker. And she took, I got a Colorado vehicle that took the spot I wanted. Boy, they got 4 spots for parking here. I think they need a couple more at least. All right. Well, I'll shut you off now.